I'm Lauren of All Trades, and today I'm making Royal Caribbean's Apple Blossom a la mode. This is my 100th video, so I wanted to celebrate with something different. Thank you so much to all of my subscribers for your continued support, which makes me want to keep making videos. If you're new and not subscribed, please do subscribe. It really helps a lot. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the Apple Blossom a la mode dessert that you can find in the main dining room at dinner on Royal Caribbean ships. Get in your car, drive across town, get out of your car, walk into Omaha Steaks, find the dessert section and the apple tartlets, buy them and maybe some other goodies, get back in your car, take them home, take them out of the package, bake them in your oven, take them out of your oven, and eat them with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. So seriously, I'm pretty sure that Royal Caribbean's Apple Blossoms and Omaha Steaks Apple Tartlets come from the same company. Right before our first Royal Caribbean cruise, we had received a box of goodies from Omaha Steaks that included tartlets, but we hadn't tried them yet. So during our cruise, husband fell in love with the Apple Blossoms a la mode, and he ordered it every night we ate in the dining room. Then we came home and tried the tartlets from Omaha Steaks, and they were completely indistinguishable. Pro tip: do not try to buy just a box of 4. You'll need to buy at least 6 to not pay way too much for them. You can also get Omaha Steaks apple tartlets online if you don't have a store in your town and really want some in between cruises. You will either have to pay a lot for shipping, or buy a huge amount of tartlets, or buy some steaks as well to avoid paying for shipping. And yes, I have been told that Trader Joe's and some other grocery stores also have them. I tried the ones from Trader Joe's, and while they were much cheaper, they were not as caramelly, so for me, not nearly as good, which is why I recommend the tartlets from Omaha Steaks. That's it for me and Royal Caribbean's Apple Blossom a la mode.